total number, I don't know.
Back in Osaka, and this is our last stop before we head back to Manila. We're checking in here at the OMO Kansai Airport by Hoshino Resorts, and honestly, the location is super convenient. It's right in Rinku Town and only about 8 minutes away from Kansai International Airport by train. When we arrived, we noticed there are several self check in stations, so you can easily check in on your own. The process is quick and hassle free. Right by the reception area, there is a small souvenir shop where you can pick up some last minute items. And one thing to note, sleeper isn't automatically included in the room, so you'll need to rent it separately if you want to use one. And if you watch my previous Osaka video, we used a luggage delivery service from Appa Hotel in Namba. We had our luggage sent directly here, which made things so much easier and instead of carrying everything around. Here they are. Our bags are already here waiting for us after check-in.
We're at the 16th floor, and yes, they do have shuttle service going to the airport. Perfect. Hey guys, we're at room 1642. Let me show you a quick room tour. So this is upon entering, you'll see a full-size mirror, not quite, and then you can hang your clothes here. Always in every Japan hotel is a fabric and air freshener para sa mga amoy yakiniku dyan. So when you enter here, you'll see a sign that says no shoes allowed. They have these slippers that you can use if you want to go to the public bath. And then you'll see some hooks here there to hang some of your stuff also. So I have to take off my shoes and be a law-abiding citizen, a law-abiding foreigner. I normally wear the bedroom slippers, but not to the point na you're going to enter without your shoes. No. Okay, this is the bathroom. Hair dryer is here. Same sila ng hair dryer dun sa the knot. Super excited always to check the shampoo, conditioner, and body soap that every hotel provides. Kasi mabango palagi. Sorry, so bango. And very cute si lalagyan. Shower, bathtub, check. This is your... hindi nakasaksak. This is the towel. Super cute. May lalagyan siya. Look. So this is your hand towel and your bath towel, body towel. Super cute. They have lalagyan here. This is the TV, work area, multifunctional table. You can serve as your vanity table also. A super cute cabinet here that contains your electric kettle. Super cute electric kettle. I wanna bring this home. Oh, also picture. I wanna bring this home also. Water picture. Super cute. Kung marami na akong dalang next time wala na talaga akong dala masyado. Para marami akong uuwi. Glasses and cups. It has an OMO logo. Okay. This is a mirror also. Portable mirror for your makeup. They provide a safe here. Next is your ref. Super cute. Very tiny. And this is the bed. Super cutesy bed. Queen size. They have a throw pillow, which has the OMO Hoshino Resorts. Queen size bed. Medyo malaki siya for a queen size bed, no? You have your controls here. There. And you have USB ports and outlet. Tour you around again tomorrow for more amenities. So that's it, guys. I'm excited to explore this beautiful, pretty hotel near Kansai Airport. It's just one station away from the Osaka Kansai Airport. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like this video and make sure that you're subscribed on my channel. That's it, guys. Leave a comment down below kung meron kayong mga questions or anything you wanna say. Bye! By the way, guys, look at this, oh. Tada! You can use this and put it outside. So, pag nakalagay ito sa labas, it means no need to clean my room. Also, it means do not disturb, or also please don't enter my room. So, super cool. There's always something new in every hotel na pinupuntahan namin. That's the best part in, you know, exploring different types of hotels.
Em thuê một căn phòng nhỏ, sàn lạnh chân chân đi qua, lót cái thon làm nền tạm đâu trong ngày sẽ xô ra, tơ hương rừng đất làm từ chữ nhỏ đập mãi vẫn say. Căn băng keo dán vết nứt khử buông tay, lại hở một đường. Rồi lùi một bước.
We're here at Sports Depot and ayoko na nga mag-video sana kasi sayang yung oras, guys. We're here at the first floor pala. This place, this store is a trap. Parang buong araw ka na dito. Baka hindi ka na baka kailangan pa ng isang luggage. And see it? They have racket sports section. Another trap, guys. Kanina nasa apparel palang budol na. Para ba dito?
Cần sửa cho vừa mắt người, cần trông thêm trong nhà em. Bóng đinh rơi dưới sàn nhạc, từng chiếc nghe lách cách tự hỏi mình muốn yên ổn hay muốn được thở cho thật. Sập rồi em dừng lại, dừng bằng những ngày em tự sửa mình. Sập rồi em dừng lại, kéo dài nào cũng không xin cho xin. Cứ mỗi lần em cũng cho vừa mắt, nhau lại nhìn thêm một chút thôi. Sập rồi em dừng lại, lần này em dừng.
Okay, guys. So, we just went in this restaurant because, as the saying goes, if there's pila, it must be good. Uso po dito yung turo-turo. Pag hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan ng waitress, turo. They couldn't understand, but if you just point at the menu, maintindihan niya na kayo. They have an English menu but they don't know how to read kasi pag sinabi mo extra noodles, di ka na maintindihan. So, buti na lang may pictures. It's just about a 5-minute wait time. Currently at 12, almost 1 o'clock na pala. So, this better be good. This is our 4th ramen. I'm not sure if this is going to beat the Sapporo ramen experience because that was ultimately phenomenal, super good. So let's see.
Sập rồi em dừng lại, lần này em dựng cho em mơ. Rồi em thử canh từng mm thôi, đứng ngoài nhìn thôi chấm điểm mình để cả nhà lệch đi một tí mà mức vô vân thấy em. Hóa ra cần gì tần tắc, chỉ cần đừng làm em biến mất. Nếu có giật thêm vài lần nữa em vẫn còn tay để nhặt. Sập rồi em dừng lại, dừng bằng tiếng cười em giữa cho riêng. Sập rồi em dừng lại, không xin ai công nhận nói đẹp. Cứ mỗi lần em thôi lắm cho vừa mắt, nhà tự đứng thêm một chút thôi. Sập rồi em dừng lại, lần này em dựng thành em mơ.
It's a great ramen experience. That was the best side dish, chicken side dish. we've had so far. Ramen Nagi has chicken side dish, but that wasn't good. That's why we were kind of hesitant to order the chicken. This one is pretty good.
Seeing you just always ruins my day, and I can hardly even look at your face. You made me question everything that I say. You made me wish I could change. Nah, I just can't stand the way. You're too bad, too bad. Damn, you're too bad, too bad.
About the number, I don't know. Let's go.
Oh, baby girl, you're too bad. You get me nervous, make me lose all my game. I cringe at every word that wants to escape. You leave me breathless and I can't catch a break. I just leave grasping my face while you look the other way. You're too bad. It's not even fair, no, it's not even fair for these other girls. Hey. You're breaking up next when you walk and you keep making all the boys faint. Wish you were my girl. Wish you were my lady, so I'ma keep telling the world. Damn it, girl, you're too bad, too bad. Damn, you're too bad, too bad. Damn it, girl, you're too bad. Damn, you're too bad.
There's something different about Starbucks coffee here in Japan. Mas masarap kasi sa atin. Bakit? Maybe it's because of the milk. Hindi ko alas kung yun ang
Back at the hotel, and this is the waiting area for the free shuttle service going to Kansai International Airport. We also checked out their dinner buffet, and everything looked really appetizing. And just beside it is their beer bar called Yona Yona Moonwalk. It has such a nice atmosphere, and the view overlooking the carousel at Rinku Town is stunning. A perfect spot to just unwind and end the day.